say Tadani here, and you're welcome again to new tech tips. In today's video, I will exemplify how you can switch your Signal messaging app to dark mode. So we'll just go straight right to settings of an app, then click on appearance, then click on theme, and then select dark mode. So dark mode helps you to reduce eye strain when you're reading text on your mobile. It saves your battery life and it is suitable for low light environments. So guys, it's just as easy as that, to switch into dark mode on your Signal messaging app. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you again.